Okay, here's my vacuum cleaner, and the button's green, which means it's fully charged, supposedly. I'm going to press the clean button. He's going to start cleaning. And then he stops. He turns red. 4 beeps. Now, as you can see, there's nothing stuck in the brush. I've already checked it and cleaned it several times. Now, oops. Oh. Once again, he's gonna go again. He's gonna start to clean. So I've had this for about 3 months. And then he stops. And when I go to put him back on the charger, it'll charge for like 2 seconds, then it turns solid green again, and then the light turns off eventually because he's not moving.